Hey guys, we are back a little over 48 hours later. We are unmolding this sucker for the first time. This is the first time I've used this slab. She's a beaut. She's huge and awesome. She smells so good. That system will probably be updated eventually. I'm so excited to unmold this. Okay. Oh. That is 20 pounds of soap. Okay, here we go. This is so exciting. I am going to start using freezer paper. And that way we don't have so many wrinkles, which I knew it was a possibility because I'm using the parchment paper. Just a little wrinkly when it gets wet. Perfect. If you don't have a little chisel for your soap room, this is this little Dollar Tree chisel. You should really get one for your table. They're amazing. Okay. I think that is all the parchment paper. Let's turn this sucker this way. And we are going to make the first cut, which I've seen people do. I'm actually going to put a piece of parchment paper right here on top. And we're going to take this. And glide it over top. Oh, that's so cool. And here she is. How cool is that? Oh, it smells so good. And again. How cool. This is so exciting. Will it fit one more? It will. I'm so excited about these bars. Okay. And the last one, we are actually going to slide. Just in case there's a little bit that needs to be taken off. And it looks like we are just Just took off a sliver. There. That was so cool. Okay. I have seen where they go ahead and run the potato peeler over it, and I was like, that is such a good idea. Bevel those short corners before you ever get to them. That one's already got a rounded end. Subtle little swirl. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to get your hands on this soap, I'll leave the link down in the description and I'll pin it in the comments. And if you'd like to see what I have coming next, please give me a like and subscribe. Hope to see you next time.